Hey everybody, all right, I want to show you how to insert the inserts that I showed you in my last video on unboxing my Happy Planner collaboration, and I just want to show you how to put these in here. It's very, very simple. So if you haven't caught that video, please check it out because there are so many goodies in there to show. So basically, you see these slats are just open like this, and it comes with these rings, which are adorable. They have little hearts, but all you need to do is line it up where you want it, and then you can just tap it on in. And it is that simple. And then you are completely connected. And so that's how you can add in undated expansions or any sort of artwork, or the pocket folder that I showed you in my unboxing. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my gosh. Where is what I'm looking for? Oh, it is in here, huh? I'm only talking because I know you're listening. Okay, so like the pocket folder, which is so cute, okay? So I can put that in here, and then I'll be able to add any sort of snippets or whatever I want to put in here. Adorable. Same thing with these pull-out or bookmarks rather. So they have these tabs at the top. They do have this little, these plastic covering to protect it, so it's not gonna be quite as dull if I can get this off. All right, there we go. So we have a nice shine. Pretty sure there's one on the other side, yeah. I'm not even gonna worry about this. Not even gonna. Okay, so you just line that up, and then it has this tab at the top, and then you can push that in here as well. Line up and go. And how cute is that? It's so cute. So that is easy. And then just to take them out, you just do the same thing, pop them out. Not gonna damage anything, you're good to go. And just to give you a quick peek, you can see the inside of the Happy Planner, Happy Notes, and Happy Journal in my previous video, so I'll link that as well. All right, you guys, see you soon.